Welcome to part 23 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course. In this video, we will learn about placing images in Adobe Illustrator. When placing images into Illustrator, the application does not actually put the whole image into the program, but only a preview of it. Therefore, it always needs to know where the original image is. Placing your original Illustrator file and its images in the same folder is a simple way of making sure Illustrator always knows where your images are. Now in Adobe Illustrator, go to File, Place, click the Options button and make sure that Link is checked and Template and Replace are not checked. Choose your file and hit OK. A preview of your image will appear in Illustrator after you click with the Place cursor. It can be moved with the Selection tool. It can also be scaled in Illustrator. This should be done only to tweak the size of an image. You may have found that there are other ways of getting images into Illustrator, such as by dragging, pasting, and even opening them. Resist the temptation and don't use these ways for any file you care about. They are for special uses only and can blot the file size of your Illustrator document, make the application unstable, and generally make life difficult. Files dragged into Illustrator can retain links, but doing it this way increases the likelihood of errors. It is very common for students to lose links to their images because of the ways they put them in Illustrator and because they do not keep images where Illustrator can find them. Your photograph probably does not look as good in Illustrator as it did in other photo editing programs like Photoshop. Remember that Illustrator is not a pixel-based application. It is just showing you a preview of what the image generally looks like. When you print your document or save it as a PDF, Illustrator will retrieve the original image file and use them to make high-quality rendering of your images. When you are placing image file into Adobe Illustrator, you are linking them, and the link panel lets you have control over this. Go to Window menu and choose Links, and you will see a thumbnail of the image you placed into Illustrator. Since Illustrator cannot actually change pixel-based images, it allows you to easily edit them in Photoshop. With your image highlighted in the Links panel, click on the Edit button at the bottom right of the panel. Your image will open in Photoshop. There is a small disclosure triangle at the lower left of the Links panel that allows you to reveal more information, including how much resolution your image has. This panel will also tell you where your photographs are located, if they are linked correctly, and allow you to change the links. If you see an alert symbol in the link panel, you should find out what Illustrator is trying to tell you. The red icon means that the link is lost. Go to the relink box at the bottom of the panel. If Illustrator cannot find the image it is linking to, your prints and PDFs can only use the preview image, which is usually of very low quality. The link symbol above tells you your image is properly linked. All links should look like this. Now let's discuss photographs with transparency. In Adobe Illustrator, draw something on a page, then place your transparent image. As you move your image around, you will notice that the areas that were transparent retain their degrees of transparency in Illustrator. That's all in our part 23 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. That's all for today. See you in part 24.